A very good morning to my dear children. Today, in our online class, we shall start a new chapter, that is budgeting. You must have seen your parents preparing a budget for your family. It is a very popular technique of planning and control. Not just at home, budget is very popular in organizations. It helps business organization for rational allocation and optimum use of their limited resources. But what is a budget? Budget is basically a plan of operation for some specific future period. That means budget is prepared in advance. Budget is based on the objectives to be attained and the policies to be followed. Budget is basically a statement expressed in monetary and or physical units. It is basically an estimate of needs and expected results. Thus, the basic definition of a budget is a financial and or qualitative statement prepared prior to a defined period of time of the policy to be pursued during that period for the purpose of attaining a given objective. Next, why is budget useful in management? Budget helps management in sound planning. Since budget help to minimize snap judgments and unplanned actions, and budget is prepared on the basis of forecast, it forces managers to think about future, therefore making planning purposeful and precise. It increases efficiency as they help management in obtaining the most profitable combination of different factors of production. This improves the efficiency of the employees. Budget also incorporates a sense of responsibility among employees and within departments because through budgeting, buck passing is avoided. It is also a source of motivation as it is the benchmark or the goals to be attained. It is basically an impersonal policeman that maintains ordered effort in the organization. Budget also ensures coordination between different departments. Since budgets are prepared in consultation with one another, therefore coordination among different departments increases. It also helps in delegation of authority. It permits participation of employees at all levels. Last, it is an effective control since they provide exact standards with which actual results can be evaluated and variations, if any, can be analyzed. Therefore, these variations can be evaluated and performance can be under control. Thank you.